Press, ladies and gentlemen, first of all, let me thank the chairman of the Congress for allowing me to make a speech. I feel that I can't stay to the end of the electoral process because I'll be leaving to join the president in China. And so I feel that I should speak so that I can go and prepare myself. Let me thank all of you. When you did your World Congress, it was peaceful. INEC observed it. Security agencies were there. When you had the local government Congress, INEC observed it. Security agencies were there. Today, the state Congress is being held. INEC is here. Security agencies are here. The law requires that for every Congress or primary of any political party, INEC must observe those congresses or promises or primaries as the case may be. So I don't know what anybody will say that there was no Congress anywhere. Luckily, I hear this Congress is being Naira. So now Twin Thomases and see that indeed there was state Congress in the River State. I assure you, yes, we have done our own party by electing a government in the state. If the government says it does not want us, will you kill yourself? No! Will you run away from the party you built? No! We are the party members. We have taken over our party. The way we did it, how we did it, in 2023, the same God will allow us, will support us, will be with us in 2027. Let nobody be intimidated. I know how it is when you have worked hard and at the end of the day you are pushed away. I know how bad you feel. But again, it's not every business you enter into that you make profit. So see this one as one of those businesses that you invested and you lost. So, but that will not make you not to continue to work hard in order to invest in future and make your profit. So be strong. Be strong. They said that we are finished. They are finished. Anywhere you see them say they are finished. And let me assure all of you, not while we live. Not while we live. Anybody will take away the structure of PDP from us. Not while we live. And let me tell people, I hear that there are some governors, there are some governors who say they will take away the structure and give it back to somebody. I pity those governors because I'll put fire in their state. you take it. I don't understand. Simply because I hear they got some money from these signature bonus. And so their heads are getting big. That you put hand in my own state. Prepare. Because I have the capacity. The capacity for also do the same to your own state. Whether you are from Bauchi, I don't give a damn. Whichever state you come from, as far as I know, that you are trying to put yourself in River State, your hand will get bumped. And you will never sleep in your state. You will never do governance again, you will see political crisis. As far as PDP is concerned. So I've told them, now you have started. When I will start, don't say I'm the one that destroyed PDP. You are the one that are trying to destroy PDP. Allow River State to conduct the affairs of the party. We are aware of these unstable characters. We know that they are joining APP. Let them wait during the time they should face us in the election. Don't bother about abuses. We have this king. We don't even know what abuse is. So don't think about it. Don't say anybody's abusing me. If I'm not, they will not abuse me. They thought we would have come to them and start begging. Are we begging? No. We're not begging. Let them go and see what's happening in Abuja. So they know if we are talking about politics in Nigeria, we are more relevant than them. If today I say I will move to another party, it will be a tsunami. But we have said we will remain where we are. And I will continue. I did not hide it. In 2023, when I said, PDP, I will not support you for presidential election. Did we hide it? No. I think I will not support you because you refuse to allow justice, equity, and fairness to play. And so, we don't regret. When Buhari was there, he never seen me play two sides. I never went to the villa in the night. And the third time I come out and shout. Day and night I never went. Some of them now, in the night, they love the president. In the daytime, they say different. Be a man of character. Stand so that people will know this is whom you are. I have some people now say, oh, they are supporting the government. Why won't you support him? We defeated their own candidates. Tell us, who was their candidate in 2023? They all lost. They're not ashamed what you did not plant. You want to harvest. An armed robber is an armed robber. Any day, any time. People have no shame. Who swore over their dead body? Over their, that's why when people die, sometimes don't cry. You don't know what led to their death. People do both. Over their dead body, will they come around this small boy? Today, they are coming around, not only coming around, running around. And serving. Tomorrow now, when they die, they say, something must have happened. Did you know that they took oath? That oath is still there. So that's why it's difficult when some people die. I haven't cried because I don't know what led to that death. So we have to be careful. And whoever that emerges today, take it that is a game. Two people cannot win At the same time, we must embrace whoever emerges, from the chairman down to the last. What is important is for us to work for the party. That is what is important. And know that when politics will come, we'll still gather and plan as usual and strategize as usual. If you like, carry the whole police. If you like, carry the whole SSS. And the former government who said was SSS here, who was being a political SSS. I told her one day, when the time comes, you will not stand it. Luckily, she had left, begging for her to be an appointee, and then it is shameless. Some people are just shameless. So, we are fully in government. We are fully in Tinubu's government. I have no regrets about it. And I'll continue to be there. Anybody who's angry should go and hold a 7 minutes. So, let me thank the chairman and his team for what I witnessed, the peaceful conduct. Let me also thank the INEC for coming to monitor. This is the last one. I was, politics. I was monitoring you, whether you will be involved in the politics. Thank God you are not involved. They did all kinds of things. Forget about they are going to state high court to get order every day. I told you those orders will not stand. All these they are judges that the chief judge said for them. Every minute they get order. Every second they get order. That's what the chief judge did, but don't worry. All those things are temporary things. It will come to an end. The day I will speak about them, Nigerians will bow. Nigerians will know who they are. I don't want to talk about them now. He went to court to go to order. INEC is not a party to the other. And you are writing around for INEC not to monitor. Meanwhile, the federal high court order directed INEC to go and monitor the election. Every minute that the state high court order, even though they know the state high court has no jurisdiction, but they say, let's do it. Let it be that we have it. You have nothing. You have what? Nothing. At the end of the day, you have nothing. It's a temporary brief. Every court they have gone, they have 530 actions. Against the assembly, against everybody, have they won one? No. Because they are the wrong groups, doing everything they can do. But God will not allow them. So thank you for coming. And I also want you to report what happened here. And when you are at the report, let us have our own copy too. We're entitled to see what you are facing. You know, in Nigeria, on the road, anything can happen. On the road, anything can happen. So, make sure where's the wreck? It's wreck here. Where is it? Wreck, I bet you. It's not because it is useful. It's my experience in this game. Sometimes they say they were attacked on the road. I forgot to have but just look at the road yourself. Nobody's screaming me here. Sometimes they say they were attacked on the road. You know, if I enter to first mail, I better not allow this report to voice let it go directly to the headquarters. And for us to be sure, transparency. Nigerians have been preaching about transparency. Part of transparency, it's just like as they are doing this conference, they must give you a copy. From there, you write your own report. You too, give us a copy. When you are writing your report to the everything, because things can change. I'm experienced, I know it. If it was when I was here, I would have made sure that would have swamped affiliate and have stories in court. Yes. We have done that. And let me also say to the glory of God, at least we have not lost out everything. Our legal advisor has been elevated to the rank of Sudan. So in September 30th, he will be inaugurated. It's part of our achievement, right? When I was governor, my first attorney general was made SA. When I was governor, the second attorney general was made SA. Let them make their own. Let us see who is who. Let us see how lucky you are. We have people who are intelligent, who have worked hard. Now, we are being this time. Our own legal advisor is now the SA. Not somebody in their own executive, in their own team, work hard and also become what they have become. It's important. It's not about this. When the professor who was decided said, who is the snake of it? All these people jumping left, right, and such a very. And let me also say, Chief Awuse, who have not been around for the past 6 months, most of you do not know that he was very down. Very down. It was rumored that he had died and this and that. To the glory of God, he's back. Very healthy. And so much for the leader visited him yesterday. And I encourage the chairman of Finance Council and who will announce today, and the chairman of the party to also try and go and pay him a visit to encourage him. He's one of our leaders. He stood firm. While he was on Nakuma, somebody was abusing him and saying he had a sack. What's important to me that he's alive. And so it's not who is not on traditional council. So I thank all of you. Continue to be peaceful. Continue to work together. Thank you and God bless you.